going to show you all the programs we offer only to international students. So under accounting and finance field, as you can see, we have 3 years advanced diploma, which are business administration accounting, business administration finance program. Then we have 2 years diploma, which is B103, B133. These are undergraduate programs. Then we just have one of a postgraduate program in accounting and finance field, which is financial planning. And then there is 4 years bachelor's degree, that is honors Bachelor of Commerce. So I am showing you these programs. So after the presentation, if you have any questions about these programs, you can send me those questions through chat box. Under human resource field, we have 2 undergraduate. First is 3 years advanced diploma, then 2 years diploma, and a postgraduate called B408. So most of these programs are with co-op or internship opportunities. Under School of Marketing, again, we have 2 undergraduate and 4 postgraduate program. These programs are very popular among international students. Programs like digital media marketing, marketing management, financial services, sports and event marketing, strategic relationship marketing. Digital media marketing is such a popular program in India that it is already closed for both September and January 2021 intake. So you can imagine the demand of this program. Under School of Management, again, we have few undergraduate options and really good postgraduate options like consulting, entrepreneurship management, IBM, project management. Then we have engineering options. Then like we have mechanical programs. Again, we have 2 years diplomas, 3 years advanced diplomas, and each program is highly specialized. As you can see, we have mechatronics, we have mechanical in design, mechanical in CNC and precision machining. Then construction programs. Under construction, we just have 2 postgraduate options for international, which are construction management, T403, and building information modeling management. There are few programs in which work experience is a mandatory requirement apart from bachelor's degrees. So for construction management program, 1 year experience is a mandatory requirement. Similarly, when I was showing you the business program, consulting postgraduate program requires 3 years work experience. Then we have few architecture undergraduate options. We have 2 years, 3 years advanced diplomas. We have skilled trade programs like building renovation, HVAC or heating, refrigeration and air conditioning technician, such kind of options. Our IT programs are again very popular. These are few undergraduate options, which you can see on the screen. And then we have 6 postgraduate programs in IT. We have programs like mobile application development, blockchain development, cyber security. Again, these are very, very popular. Information systems, business analysis. So out of these 6 options, 3 programs requires 1 year experience, which are health informatics, information systems, business analysis, and cyber security. These 3 programs requires 1 year work experience. Then we have programs in the area of design. We have these undergraduate options: game art, graphic design, interaction design, and then design postgraduate programs. Again, there are so many options, as you can see. So a lot of options in all the major fields. Then we have hospitality and tourism. Our hospitality and culinary programs are really popular. We have our own 7-star restaurant by the name Chef House, which is run and operated by culinary and hospitality students of George Brown College. It is also located right in downtown Toronto. Under School of Hospitality, we just have 1 postgraduate program, which is very specialized in a niche program in wines and beverages business management. If you want to become a chef, then we have really good options. We have undergraduate as well as 3 postgraduate programs. Postgrad programs like Advanced French Patisserie, which includes 4 months internship opportunity in France with Ducasse School. Culinary Arts Italian, which includes 4 months internship with Elma Institute in Italy. So both program includes 4 months internship in France and Italy. And then Food and Nutrition Management. Then we have programs in early childhood education. So all the programs where you are seeing written fast track or accelerated programs, these are equivalent to postgraduate program, which means that a bachelor's degree is required to apply. And then very limited options in health sciences or medical field. We have behavioral science technician or C156 behavioral science technician accelerated, in which we need students from psychology background, autism and behavioral science. There are few options in dental field as well, but unfortunately we don't offer any postgraduate in dental field. And then there are few fashion programs. We have 3 fashion postgraduate programs, all offered in September intake. And for these programs, the requirement is quite high. We need a bachelor's in business or fashion with more than 70% aggregate. So I'll go through the requirements later as well. And then there are 3 undergraduate options in fashion field. And finally, we have some media programs like acting for media, sound design and production, visual effects, video design and production, these kind of options. And programs in preparatory and liberal services. We also have program in teaching, in career development, child and youth care, social service worker, and all. So that's all the programs we offer to international students. Before I go forward, I would expect you to prepare your questions on these programs that you can forward to us once I'll be done with the presentation. These are English proficiency requirements due to COVID-19 situation. Now we have also started accepting Duolingo test, IELTS indicator, and TOEFL online. So these are the requirements. For postgraduate, in IELTS, we need 6.5 overall with no band less than 6. For degree program, again, the same requirement. And for undergraduate, we need 6 overall with no band less than 5.5. But because you all will be applying from India under SDS category, for that, for undergraduate, under SDS, you need to score 6 overall with no band less than 6. When it comes to Duolingo test, for postgraduate, we need score of 125, for bachelor's degree 115, and for diploma 105. We also accept PTE, academic, TOEFL online, and you can take a screenshot of this page, or you can just search on the website to know more about the requirements or connect to GB team.